Hello. So, what's going on? This video is obviously going to be about my implant that I just did. So this is kind of post, I guess, but I'll put in the footage afterwards of me getting the implant. Yeah, it was exciting. So this is Firefly V2. It's a little bit bigger than the V1, and I think because of that, the healing time is longer because the needle causes like more trauma to your hand, I guess. Mine is still a little bit yellow. You probably can't really tell too much on this camera unless it will like focus. But there's the damage. If I hide my face, maybe it will focus. And it looks like it doesn't want to. It's gonna stay on my shirt. That's annoying. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys kind of like the package that it came in. Cyberized.me is where I bought this. And when you open the box, it's going to come with a sterilized pouch, and inside that pouch there's chlorhexidine swabs. There's like a work mat that is kind of folded up with the gloves, so everything is all sterile. Basically what you do is when you open the first package, you can pull out the work space like mat, and you can like unfold it, and the gloves are just kind of ready there. So what we did is I had my dad inject it because pretty tough to do it with one hand on yourself with the location that I picked. So I couldn't really self do it, because what you need to do is you have to kind of take your skin and pull it up like this, and then you just want to kind of like insert the needle like into the skin that you've pulled away from the rest of your hand, and that's how you kind of do it. But obviously you can't pinch and hold and do the needle at the same time. So then also inside the kit, you're going to get the syringe itself inside another pouch. I've kind of kept it just to show you what it looks like here. It's a pretty good size. I would say it's about 1/4 inch diameter. And if I take the cap off here, I don't know if I can. Looks like it came off. That's good. The one thing that actually kind of messed with me, they lock down so you can't reuse it, I guess, which is okay. But one thing that really messed with me is, you see that little yellow piece sticking out of it there? That's the plunger that pushes the implant into your hand. And because when we pulled this out of my hand, we could see that yellow piece, and I was at first for maybe five seconds or so, both me and my dad were like, "Oh crap! It didn't stay in. It somehow stayed in the syringe," and we were kind of both like, "That's not good." But then we realized that that's just the little pusher that's inside the syringe. So if you do end up doing one of these, keep that in mind so you don't freak yourself out when you when you pull it out of your hand. The damage, I don't know. It hurt like kind of bad, but not like the worst pain in my life. I don't know. I wouldn't say it hurt like too much. I have like a fairly decent threshold for pain, so I wouldn't worry about getting like Novocaine or anything like kind of topical to put on it. Just go for it if you're thinking about doing one of these, I would say. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the footage of me putting it into my hand. And in terms of brightness, I don't know. I was kind of disappointed at first because I couldn't see anything, but the last 3 or 4 nights I've been able to see it when I go to sleep. My room, I guess, is dark enough that I can see it when I'm laying down. But if I just dim the lights or something, you're not gonna be able to see it here on camera. If I do a little bit of a longer exposure, you could probably capture it. But that being said, it's something I kind of have to let my eyes adjust to the darkness before I can really see it. But I've read on the forums, on the biohack forums, that people continue to heal it after 3 weeks or so. It's still getting brighter, so I'm only a week in at this point of healing, and I can tell it's still a little bit swollen. I think that's just part of, because it's so much bigger than the V1, is it just takes longer to heal. So keep that in mind if you do go for one of these. Anyways, enjoy the footage, and I hope you enjoyed my turbo step music going in the background. This is Turbo Step 3 for Kickboxing Volume 3, straight from Japan. So I hope you enjoyed listening to that while I was talking. Anyway, check the next part, and there will be a gore warning, so if you're queasy, don't maybe watch it, but I'm assuming if you're on this video, you're okay with seeing it, so enjoy. Alright, here we go.
Down.
Yeah, you can see lots. Don't worry, just...
Okay, that's where it's going to be. Okay, it's in. Okay, it's almost all the way. Gonna put it in.
Nice and gentle. Okay, and are you gonna pull?
Yeah.
Okay, and as you pull out, grab the gauze. And put it's right there in front of you. You didn't put it in, did you? Okay,
Yep.
You did. Okay, now put the gauze on the hole and then let go. Okay. Thank you very much. And just hold it there, and then I will do this.